Hi everyone, good morning. I'm Abdurrahman. This is for lab 2, and I'll be responsible for question 2, 4, and 6. Okay, so here's the start. 1 second. Take question 2. Here's the code. Let's go to question 2 first. Here's the question. Here's the automatic expression. And let's see, here's the content of the registers and actions. And here's the line by line of all registers content executed for each line. Okay, so let's start. Okay, here's for the code. The code is the main and let's see. So here is the line 1. We're moving X well to the EX register. Second action, here's we negating the EX register. Here's execute CX, the new value. And you have EIP register. Then you have the YVAL, removing the contents from the YVAL register to the EVEX register. As you can see, EIP, EFL register, and EVEX register, the new values, and removing the contents. As you can see here, remove. Then we go to the next line. We're subtracting the XVAL from the contents from the XVAL register, EVX register. Here you can see the new values. EVX register and EIP register. Then you have the addition of the values of EBX to the register to the ES register. Then you have the increments of the EX register. Then we are moving the contents from the EX register to the RVL. Okay, here's our last action. Then we do the exit. As you can see, here's our final result. And we're ending for the main and exiting the program. And that was for each register line by line executed for question 2. Then let's go to question 4. Here's question 4. Here's the automatic suppression. 1 second. Here's the code. So we start from here, ending here. One second. So here we start moving the contents from var1 to X register. As you can see, here's the new values, X registers and EIP registers. And then we'll multiply to the VX register, then moving the contents from var2 to VX register. Then we're subtracting, as you can see in line 5, with the new contents of the EVX register and EIP registers. 3 to VX. Then we do the division to the VX register. As you can see, EVX here and EIP registers. Then here's the move command on line 7 from AX register to var 4. Then we're exiting the program. Then here's the main end. And last question, question 6. As you can see, here is the contents of each register, line by line. Here's question 6. Let's start. Okay, 1 second. Because I didn't do that. Give me a second. Let's move line by line. Here we're moving 0 to the X register. As you can see, here's the second action. Here's the moving the 803 hexadecimal to X register. Here's the EDX and here's the IB register. Loading the dividend to X register. Then we're moving 10 hexadecimal to the L register. Here's, as you can see, the new value X register and IB registers. Then we do the division. Last but not least, here's the EBX register and IB register, the new values. Last but not least, what we call the dump brings to read the values of the register after this one. As we do the exit, and as you can see, here is the values of the registers. Let's check on here. Here is the value of the registers. Here's, as we have discussed before, line 1, 2, 3, and 4. And last but not least, we're exiting the program, and that was question 2, 4, and 6. Thank you so much.